A viral face yoga video has sparked a heated debate online. You need to know who Parvathy Krishna is and why her controversy is blowing up right now. Parvathy Krishna has established herself as a popular wellness influencer, focusing on natural beauty enhancements through face yoga. Her videos often showcase exercises designed to tone facial muscles and reduce signs of aging without cosmetic surgery. Her growing online presence has attracted millions of followers eager to try her methods for healthier, youthful skin. The controversy began when Parvathy posted a face yoga tutorial that quickly went viral across social media platforms. While many users praised her for offering a natural alternative to cosmetic procedures, others criticized the video for promoting unrealistic beauty standards. This divide caused intense discussions, with some accusing her of exploiting insecurities and others defending her wellness approach. Parvathy's viral face yoga video taps into a larger cultural debate about self-image and beauty norms. As cosmetic procedures become more accessible, many look for natural alternatives like face yoga. However, when influencers promote these methods, it can trigger backlash around authenticity, scientific validity, and the impact on mental health. This controversy underscores how powerful social media is in shaping beauty conversations today. Despite the backlash, Parvathy's face yoga video has inspired many to explore facial exercises as part of their skincare routine. Wellness brands and apps have reported increased interest in face yoga tutorials, signaling a shift in consumer behavior toward holistic beauty practices. This surge shows the growing demand for non-invasive, affordable methods to maintain appearance in 2026. As the controversy escalates, Parvathy Krishna is expected to respond publicly to address concerns and clarify her intentions. How she navigates this moment could impact her credibility and influence in the wellness community. The episode also serves as a cautionary tale for influencers balancing viral fame with responsible messaging. This controversy shows how wellness trends can quickly become cultural flashpoints online. Whether you're curious about face yoga or cautious about viral beauty advice, it's crucial to stay informed and critical. Subscribe to Daily Q&A for timely updates on trending stories that affect your health and lifestyle.